Hey everyone, I'm Jason for WTI. If you're an outdoor enthusiast like myself, you know at the end of the day, no matter what you've done, it's always nice to have a nice warm shower. Now, if you're in an area where there's no facilities, Wise Owl Outfitters has got you covered with their portable pressurized camping shower. Let me show you some of the features that I like so much, and I think you will too. So the water bag as well as the foot pump are made out of a heavy-duty PVC material that I know will last a long time. Now what I love about this pressurized water system is you can leave the bag on the ground. Pump it up a couple of times, leave it in the sun, and you have a nice hot shower. Another key feature of this unit is its portability, and I absolutely love it. I am taking this thing everywhere I go when we go camping, whether we go hiking, if we go out on the boat especially. It's so awesome to have something that just sits on the ground. All you got to do is pump it up a few times. They give you a nice long 6.5-foot hose, which is easy to rinse off with. The shower head is great, plenty of pressure. We even bring it to the beach now so we can rinse our kids' hands off before we all go and eat, which is super convenient. Alrighty, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for a portable, durable, pressurizable shower system for on the go, no matter where you're at, definitely check out Wise Owl Outfitters and get their camping shower. This thing is really nice. I absolutely love it, and I know you're going to love it too. That's my point of view.